This is a message to jealous, hating ass, white trash, hating ass, black trash, hating ass, Spanish trash, slaving away at Starbucks and disrespecting me over some $2 fucking garbage coffee, which I'm not interested in, and a fucking slave mermaid logo with some corny ass fucking coffee stock. This is my collection of my motherfucking radio. Headphones. I have a huge collection of radio headphones to block y'all annoying bitches out of my motherfucking ears that want to stalk me down, trying to talk to me when I would never befriend any of y'all fucking hoes. All right? Let's count on the average on my bed right now. I have 14 headphones on my motherfucking bed. When you take out 2 headphones that I threw away. So that means I would have had 16 headphones altogether. This is 14 of them. 2 of my fucking headphones on my bed is not regular headphones. This is a Japanese radio headphone. Not only the radio headphone, is an MP3. Then you place the MP3 chip right here, and you go and you play the radio on it besides talk on the fucking phone. So besides that, I have a next radio headphone. Yeah, bitch gave it to me for free if you spend $1, but guess what? It's Japanese. It's broken. So I got me other new headphones. All right? This is a Sony headphone. The headphone is worth $100, but I don't fucking work. I don't listen to them. I don't like them like that. It's Japanese. All my headphones on my bed is either Korean or Japanese. None of my fucking products on my bed is African. All right? Because I don't like y'all shit. All right? The Dr. Dre Beat headphones cannot play the radio. But my Japanese headphones can play the radio, and it has a built-in socket for the memory chip for the MP3 player. All right? While the black bitch is stressing me about some fucking Dr. Dre garbage. None of the Apple or any of them white people headphones companies could play the radio and the MP3 at the same damn time and talk on the fucking phone. And what the fuck my Japanese headphones could do? Again, none of my products on my motherfucking bed is made by an African, or none of my products on my motherfucking bed is made by a white person. Everything is made from China, Japan, and Korea. All my headphones on my motherfucking bed, multiple choice, is to block your annoying, groupie, female, white trash ass out my ears, yo nigga black trash out my motherfucking ears, and your Spanish shit-eating fly trash behind out my motherfucking ears. Y'all fucking hoes are not on my motherfucking level. In 1 year, I've been through the total of 5 phones. This is only one of the phones when the other phones are in the fucking garage.